Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing great. So today I'm going to be showing you how to play the next candlestick and the next market direction live here on Pocket Option Trading Platform. Alright, so I've picked a good market here, AED. I've been observing this market for a while and it's looking good. So with the current candlestick, it's a downtrend. So I'm going to go with sellers here for 1 minute. Okay. So yeah, I took a lower option here because of the reversal pattern. You can see we're getting more sellers candle, more strong body candles from sellers, and it's majorly a downtrend. You can see the market has been dropping, giving lower lows and lower highs market structure. So that was why I went to the lower option there. All right, while the trade is running, I would like to update you on my mentorship program for the month of June. Registration is currently ongoing. People are already on board. We are just out to let it out to the public. If you want to learn how to do this on your own, learn how to trade confidently, never be scared of taking trades. All right, you trade with more confidence, trade peacefully, and make consistent money for yourself. Then you need to be in the June mentorship program. All right, that you can see that was an item, clean, good entry, amazing. So you need to be in the June mentorship program. You're going to learn all that you need to know on how to trade the markets profitably, confidently, and you're still going to be getting weekly live trading signals and live trading section from me on every binary option trading platform. Yes, I do that consistently. You can check out my previous video and you can see some of the updates I had with my mentorship students. I just had to let it go and just to give you guys some bonus, and I'm sure some of you learned. All right, so looking at the market here, I'm trying to mark out some levels on the 5 minutes chart, and these levels are going to support me on my prediction. The secret to drawing these levels too, I'm going to explain more of it on the mentorship. So you really need to get the full information. So you don't just gamble or you don't just assume. There are ways to do this thing. There are secrets. All right, so I'm going to buy here. All right, good. So I took a higher option here because of that my key level. We're having lower low, lower high pattern. So I'm expecting a little pullback from buyers, and then the market should continue downward for sellers. So but that level is quite good, and I'm seeing some reactions from buyers. So high chances they could likely bring in some retracement. And you can say I went all in because I was very, very confident on that level. I was very, very 95% sure about this trade. And we're already getting some good buyers entry. All right, that looks good. Okay, we have a few seconds more. It's rejecting, but just in a little push up that will confirm the item. All right, good. That small pull up, that was a confirmation for the item. Trust me. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Wow, that was good. Beautiful entry, beautiful trade with some good profit. All right, so looking at the 5 minutes chart now, I'm still hoping the market is going to sell, but I just need some confirmation. Like I said, I need to be sure sellers are really ready to bring the market down, probably to these levels. So I'm going to observe the 1 minute candle now to see if we are still getting more sellers reaction. So let's see. All right, let's see the candle. Let's see the close of this candle is going to give me a hint on what the next candle should be. If I get a good strong sellers candle, definitely I'm going with sellers. The trade and the trend is going to continue. The trend is going to continue downward. Okay, look at the close. Let's see. There we go. It's a good sell candle. I'm going to sell. All right, so I took a lower option here because you can see the lower low, lower high pattern I've explained. The market is going to continue selling down. The seller's candle still closed below the lows and overpower the previous green candle. That is showing more of seller's reaction. So that's why I went to a lower option. You can see the way I'm explaining this thing, very simple, very clear, very simplified. It's pure candlestick psychology and price action. All right, something you can learn. You just need to be in the right circle. Just being in a live section with me in Zoom. I'm going to explain the secrets behind everything I'm doing. For those of you in the US, in Canada, anywhere in the world, in Europe, yes, you can actually trade on Pocket Option or any of the binary option trading platform, and you can actually make consistent money for yourself. I come here every week and I prove that to you. All right, good, good, good. That's another beautiful item. I've gotten about three trades so far, three good items. And let me look at the 5 minute chart again. Okay, we're still having some potentials of downside. The 5 minute scan is really looking good. I think the market is still going to be trending down to that level. All right, so there are more potentials in the market. The market is still likely going to sell. So I'm just going to observe the next candlestick. That will give me another hint for what is to come. All right, let's see the close of this candle. Okay, we're seeing some pretty good sellers. I'm just going to mark a level there. The price is approaching that level. It's best to go with sellers. You can see the clear downtrend when you're in a downtrend like that. Yeah, let me see the close. Oh, the market is already at the key level. I wanted to go with sellers, but it just dropped down so fast to one of my key levels. So I wouldn't like to gamble it. Uh, what could happen here is two things: the market could continue selling, or we could get some rejection or some retracement from buyers. So because of that candle close to my key level, I'm just going to stay on the side. All right, I want to trade when the odds are in my favor. I'm going to teach you how to get that, how to get high probability winning trades. Yes, yes, yes. There are times the odds are in your favor, and that's when you want to risk your money. So now I'm just going to wait again to see the close of this candle. You can see it's rejecting. It's not really giving us a strong body candle. So but I would just still like to see the close, and that will give me the hint for the next candle. All right, we have a second more. Let me see the close. Okay, close below the level. I'm gonna sell. Good. Yeah, so I took a lower option here because you can see continuous downtrend, strong sellers candle. The market closed, that candle closed below my key level. So that was a good sign for me that the market is still going to go down, still going to pull down one more time. Strong sellers are interested in the market. And that was why I went to the lower option there. All right, let's see how it goes. Sellers already coming in. Good reaction from sellers. Okay, I don't want to see any rejection. I just want the candle to close very good. All right, you have a few seconds more. Let's see if sellers can hold. All right. Okay, there we go. Perfect. Amazing, amazing, amazing. All right, that was a good. This is a beautiful section. Good price action, good market analysis. Everything was just playing out well in my favor. This is such a good day for me. And you can see the 5 minute candle just closed, a new candle started. So you could bring in some retracement. But then again, I think that's enough for today. If you want to learn more, do have to contact me. My contact details are below. Join the June mentorship program. You're going to learn everything you need to know on how to trade confidently, take away fear. You can now observe the market, understand what the price is saying, and that way you're going to make more money and cut your losses very short. All right, so do want to hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys on the next one.